Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my dream home. Today I'll be showing you guys how I transform my empty entryway into this glam looking entryway. If this is your first time here, hey, thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you like me enough to subscribe to my channel. If you want oldie but a goodie, thank you. I heart you and I appreciate you. So I'll be showing you guys the process of how I achieve this glam entryway. If you want to see how I did that, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, as I said at the start of the video, this is my entryway. This is my dream home. I love it so much. When you stand at the door, this is what you see in the house. Please drop your comments if you have any suggestions for this entryway as opposed to what I did. The chandelier I know is supposed to go. Yes, that chandelier is going to go. But I'm taking it slowly but surely. So let's just start decorating this entryway just the way you guys would like it. I'm sure I like it and I know you guys would like it as well. But if you don't, or if you have any other suggestions, please comment down below and tell me what you think. Let's get going. So I'm starting by putting up this, I would say it's a glitter wall art, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put in my chair, which is an accent chair for my entryway. My entryway is not the usual entryway. It's a little bit bent, so you have to, maneuver it to get the look because it's kind of hidden, if you know what I'm saying. So, and then I'm using this accent table. Please stay tuned to the end of the video when I'm going to be touring to tell you exactly where I got each item. Okay.
Come back, be with me. I just wanna behold you. Time to say goodbye. You to your love again. Missing you, I'm missing you. Come to me again.
Guys, if this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much. I just want to say I am not an expert. I just love decorating spaces. I love decorating my space and any space that I have available to decorate. So I'm not an expert. Everything I'm doing, I just learned it and I just glam it up the way I feel like it. Like it just comes from within. I'm not an expert, so don't judge me like an expert. Just enjoy the fun we are having decorating homes, okay? And I just want to take this opportunity to really thank all my subscribers, the old ones and the new ones that are coming in. I just want to say, hey, thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. And I'm hoping that we're gonna stay for more videos like this. And please subscribe if you're not subscribed at this point. Thank you so much. Let's get into explaining where each item is from. So this is what we have as a final look. This green fake plant was gotten from at-home stores here in Houston. I got two. Sometimes I change the position. Sometimes I put it by the door. Sometimes I put it by the staircase. It just depends on your preference. I like changing stuff a lot. So that's why you see them today on the stairs. Tomorrow you're going to see them by the door and all that good stuff. It's very nice, it's very fluffy, it's good for indoors and outdoors. Right now we're gonna go over to the area itself, the entryway itself, the spiral underneath stairs entryway. I got this candle from Ross and the candle holder from Ross. This nice beautiful white glitter vase was given to me by my brother-in-law's wife. I got the flowers from at home stores. I love those flowers. Like the flowers feel so good. They are fake, they're not real flowers, of course, but they feel so good. I got this chair from Facebook Market and that pillow from Hobby Lobby. Was it Hobby Lobby or Ross? And I got this starburst wall art from Ross as well. And whatever is acting like a throw blanket on the accent chair, I got from Ross, and it's not a throw blanket, it's actually a runner for a table, but you know I like to use what I have to get what I want. As for the accent table, the glass table, I got it from at home stores and I love it so much as well. If you came with me up to this point, thank you so much. I love and appreciate you. See you in our next video. Bye.